Introducing the DeLonghi ECP3420 bar pump espresso and cappuccino machine. Create your perfect cup of coffee with this professional-grade machine. With a 15-bar professional pressure, you can be assured of top-notch quality every time. The adjustable controls allow you to customize your brew to match your personal taste preferences. Brew like a pro with the ability to make single or double espressos, cappuccinos, or lattes. This machine delivers authentic, barista-quality beverages that you can enjoy in the comfort of your own home. The advanced cappuccino system with manual frother brings a new level of customization to your drinks. Mix steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth for perfectly textured beverages. Whether you prefer one espresso shot, 2 shots, or an easy-serve espresso pod, the 3-in-1 filter holder has got you covered. Convenient and versatile, it caters to your specific preferences. Its sleek and space-saving design ensures it fits beautifully on your kitchen countertop, taking up minimal space. The water tank is easily removable, refillable, and reattachable. Plus, the water level is visible, eliminating any guesswork. Cleaning up is a breeze with the removable water tank and drip tray. These parts are also dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your coffee brewing experience. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and compatibility should be checked before purchasing for international use. Get ready to enjoy barista-quality coffee anytime, anywhere with the DeLonghi ECP3420 bar pump espresso and cappuccino machine. Order now at the short link provided.